All right, let's check out the rotary tables we have on display here. Kind of covers not maybe the entire gamut. We don't have any of our huge rotary tables here. If we haven't said it before, rotary table is a great way to add productivity to your mill. Easily add either a fourth and fifth axis to your machine. So these 5-axis TRTs range in size from the smallest one here, this TRT 70, which is probably something you do for dental parts. We actually don't have it here. We even have a TRT 310, but this TRT 210 significantly larger. You can get a, 210 millimeter part in here. This is a cool spot at the back of the booth to see some of the rotary tables that Haas offers.